Looks like John Private.
1969 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. And when you ordered the ZL1, you got a lot of different goodies. Things like a F41 heavy-duty suspension, a ZL2 cowl hood, a Holley 850 double pumper was standard, but most had a 780 because of supply issues, and the compression ratio was 12:1. And if you hadn't noticed, pretty much that entire engine is made out of aluminum. Aluminum heads, intake manifold, and the block. Oh, and did I forget to mention that this thing is 427 cubic inches of rat goodness? Well, it is. Chevrolet rated the ZL1 at 430 horsepower, but it was making more about 500 and 450 pound-feet of torque. Again, that was more like 550. Inside, a 4-speed manual transmission was available, but this one has the ultra-reliable Turbo 400 3-speed automatic. Out back is a 12-bolt rear with a heat-treated ring and pinion for added strength, and oh yeah, it's got a set of drag race friendly 410 gears. All that aluminum does save a little bit of weight, and this car with driver is 3,660 pounds. The ZL1 package was extremely expensive. The base V8 Camaro started out at $2,727, and that ZL1 package was $4,160. Talk about rare, there were only 69 total ZL1 Camaros produced in 1969. High Performance Cars magazine tested a stock ZL1 Camaro in August of 1969. It had its stock exhaust, the air pump was in place, and it had regular old E70 15 tires. It ran the quarter mile in 13.16 seconds at 110 miles per hour. Let's check out its opponent. 1969 Pontiac GTO, and this one has the monstrous Ram Air IV 400 cubic inch V8. It has a compression ratio of 10.75:1, and it was rated 370 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. Inside is a drag race friendly 3-speed automatic transmission, and out back is an extremely aggressive drag race set of 433 rear gears. This car with driver isn't terribly heavy, but it is heavier than the Camaro, coming in at 3,790 pounds. Even though it weighs more, it was definitely a cheaper option than the Camaro, with the base GTO starting out at $3,156, and that Ram Air IV was another $558. An automatic equipped Ram Air IV from 1969 is quite rare. There were only 151 total produced. Popular Hot Rodding magazine tested a 69 GTO Ram Air IV, and it ran 13.42 seconds at 108.42 miles per hour, though that was through a set of headers with a closed exhaust system. When they opened the headers and threw on a set of slicks, 12.62 seconds at 109.52 miles per hour. Let's see what these cars will run today.
You mean the 47 fiberglass, the ZL1, is a new one. I don't know if that's fiber.
Looks like John Private. Jeff Morgan with the Camaro.
In the first round, it's the Pontiac that takes home the win, running 11.84 seconds at 115.45 miles per hour. In the other lane, the Camaro ran 12.01 seconds at 116.15 miles per hour. Let's check out round two.
The winning car in the left lane, 1231, 113 miles per hour. Now this Camaro is, I think this is a regular 427 Camaro, the L72, but the street 427. Jeff Morgan is the owner of this. He's from Livonia.
In the second round, it is again the GTO that takes home the win, running 11.79 seconds at 115.45 miles per hour. In the other lane, the Camaro ran 12.02 seconds at 116.38 miles per hour. A huge thanks to both of the owners for bringing out these cars. Absolutely awesome seeing them on the drag strip. I'll catch you guys at the next one.